Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to create restaurant website in WordPress. So let's just begin. Alright, so to create the restaurant website, first thing that we need to do is to go inside the plugin and click on add new plugin. And from here we have to search for starter template. Okay, so as you can see the starter templates here. So I have already installed this. All I need to do is to update this now. Okay, so now we have to go inside the install plugins. And you can see here our plugin is actually activated. So now let's just go inside the library of our starter templates. So let's just click on build with templates. Alright, so here we have to search for. Alright, so here you can see here we just have to write down BBQ restaurant. So we have got our template here. So we have to use this template to create our restaurant website. So let's click here. Alright. So this is how our template is looking. Now what we need to do, we have to click on skip and continue. Let's just click on continue again. Now let's click on submit. And this would start building our restaurant website. Alright, so now you can see here that our website is ready. So now let's click on view website. And we will be able to see our restaurant website. Okay, you can see this is looking really great. And if I just scroll down, you will be able to see the different sections of our website here. Okay, so these are our products and we have this section. And okay, so this is how our restaurant website is looking. Okay, so now if you want to customize it, it is really easy. All you need to do is to click on edit with Elementor. And from there, we can actually customize this website as per our need or as per our requirement. Okay. Alright, so as you can see here, we are inside the Elementor editor, and from here we can do all the customization on our website. So if you can just start with the heading here, I'll just simply click here, and from here I can change the heading of our restaurant. Okay. Alright, so if I can add here. Alright, so we have changed the heading here, and in the similar way I can change the other text here, as you can see here. And after that, we have the paragraph. So if you want to change the text of the paragraph, you can simply do it from here. After that, we have buttons. So if you want to adjust the text of the button or the color of the button, we can simply do it. Okay. So from here, we can change the text or content of the button. And if you want to change the styling of the button, you will simply go into the style. And from here, we can simply do our styling on the button. After that, we have the second section. So in the second section, if you want to change the image, you can simply click on the image, and from here we can change the image just by clicking on choose image. And now from the gallery we can actually change the image. Okay, so let's close this. Okay, so after that we have these logos. So if you want to change these logos, you can simply do it. And after that we have this section. So in this section, if you want to edit the container, you will simply click on edit container here. And from here, you can simply adjust the values of the container. So we have the layout, we have the style, and after that, we have the advanced settings. Okay. And after that, we have products. So if you want to add or customize the product, you can simply do it from here. All you need to do is to click on the text or the image, depends on whatever you want to change. And from there, you can simply adjust the values or you can change the values. Okay. And after that, we have our text again. So if you want to change the animation of the text or the heading, you simply click on that particular heading or text. Then you simply go inside advanced settings. And in the advanced settings, you will see the option of motion effect. Okay. So here in the motion effect, you can actually change the animation from here as well. Okay. So this is how it works. So after that, we have our testimonial, and after that, we have our footer. So if you want to add a new container here or new section here, all you need to do is to click here on add new container, and from here you can simply add a new section. Okay, so this is how it works, and this is how we can create a restaurant website in the WordPress, and this is how we can customize this. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.